जय श्रीमन्नारायण. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 17th చాప్టర్ శ్రద్ధాత్రయ విభాగ యోగము 9th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, there are some foods which are too much bitter, too much sour, too much salty, too much hot, too much dry, and full of chilies. And those foods, ever since those foods are consumed, there will be so many diseases comes out. And those foods, after consumption, people feel so much thirsty. And those foods, after consumption, they feel so much grief, so much troublesome, so much pain. So all these foods are mostly liked by, all these foods are mostly dear to the persons who are having Rajogunam predominantly. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining us the kinds of food that are liked by those who have more Rajogunam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Katvamla lavana ativushna tikshna ruksha vidahinaha ahara rajasasya ishta dukkha soka amaya pradaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमुपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಓಂ ಹರಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 341st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunakandadar Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma doing his Venuganam, all the Gopikas going into trance while listening to Venuganam, and they are all talking to each other like this. O Sakhi, look at that mountain, that is Govardhana mountain. Ayam Adrihi Haridasa Varyaha. Out of all the devotees, this Govardhanam is such a great devotee. This Govardhana mountain getting sanctified by Ramakrishna Charanasparsha Pramodaha with the touch of divine feet of Balarama and Krishna. And Govardhana mountain is getting very happy, getting extreme joy while having the touch of the feet of Balarama Krishna. With that happiness, Govardhana Parvatam giving all kind of necessary things to Balarama, Krishna, all the cows, calves and all the Gopalas. Like that, Bala Krishna Angri Saroja Sangamamuche Bhasillu Chundhanyamai. While getting happiness, that Govardhana mountain worshipping Sri Krishna Paramatma. O Sakhi, sometimes what Gopalas does, while they milking the milk of cows, they tie the back legs of cows. Now they don't have to do that, because while listening to Venuganam, those cows are getting into trance and getting paused. So without tying their legs, now Gopalas are milking the milk of those cows. Not only that, all the trees, other insentient things, by listening to Venuganam of Sri Krishna Paramatma, they are all enjoying. This is all looking so wonderful and it is so surprising. And while enjoying in the forest, Balarama and Krishna, they are taking those ropes and they are decorating with those ropes. They rolled around their heads. They are hanging those ropes on their shoulders, and like that they are enjoying. Now all the people looking at Balarama, Krishna with that kind of decoration, they are looking so beautiful, handsome. And everybody pausing, everybody staring at Balarama and Krishna and enjoying their handsomeness. Like that, evam vidha bhagavatoya brindavanacharinaha. All the Gopikas, while talking about Balarama and Krishna, while sharing all the great things, great activities and handsomeness, beautiness of Balarama Krishna each other. They are completely drowned into Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 9th sloka. Katvam lavanatyushna tikshna ruksha vidahinaha ahara rajasasyeshtaha dukkha sokamaya pradaha. Katvam lavanatyushna tikshna ruksha vidahinaha ahara rajasasyeshtaha dukkha sokamaya pradaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.